So what we got here is we've got a Bobcat snowblower attaching to a JCB telehandler. And there's only one problem. Bobcat has a glorious 7-pin connector, which, as you'll see, we get up here to the boom, and unlike their skid loaders, Bobcat's telehandlers, the V417, had a electrical connection here somewhere. This electrical here is for our auxiliary hydraulics to run our hydraulic quick attach. One thing that Bobcat couldn't figure out, but JCB tagged off the auxiliary lines and made a hydraulic quick attach, which is awesome. So how do we take this to here to run the spout and turn on the snowblower? Well, Amazon has all kinds of things amongst everything, and they have a wireless crane controller. To figure out how to tag this into that to control that and that. So we're going to use this controller, and I've already got the wires all mapped out. These wires plug into your brain box. This is your power lead coming from your device, i.e. skid loader, telehandler, whatever it may be. And these four yellow wires here are what controls your up, down, and left, right on your spout. So these two here are just power wires to feed in to your brain box. So I have mapped these out. So we have our gray wire, which is our up, our white wire, which is our down, our green wire, which is our east, and our yellow wire, which is our west. So we're gonna splice into this wiring harness and tag in, and that's gonna send 12-volt power to our electric solenoids, which will in turn send hydraulic fluid to the appropriate connections. So it's a backdoor channel in order to override the Bobcat's brain box. So I'll get it all set up here and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, we got a better position here now. So the gray is your up, so we'll hit the up button. Lights it right up. Your white is your down arrow. Trying to get these situated here. White is your down. There we go. Got 12-volt power there. Your yellow is your west. Lights that up. And then last but not least, your green is your east. So there's the proper way to wire it. And the blue wire is what's called your main on this, but that has 12 volts of power to it all the time, whether when your circuit is on. So if you hit start, you have 12 volts power here no matter what, with none of the buttons being pushed. So just be careful of that, especially I'm guessing if you have the 120 volt AC version, that would be 120 volts live all the time. So definitely tape that off and be careful with this Chinese wiring stuff. It's great when it works. We'll see. I'm rigging this up on a snowblower for a spout and tip control. So hopefully that helps anyone out there that's got one of these and the wiring diagram is as messed up as it is on mine. Hopefully this saves you some trouble. All right, we've got everything installed the way it should be on the JCB. We've got our wireless controller hooked to our brain box, which is in turn powered from our battery box. As you can see, we completed the battery box. Got it all painted up in Bobcat gray. Deep cycle 12-volt battery on there, so it can run this for a long time. Person wouldn't need to go this big on a battery because I'm sure the amp draw on this is not a whole lot. So we got a final proof of concept testing. Let's go in here and start our. Let's turn our brain box proof of concept, we can make it work. So if you like what you see, subscribe below or comment and let me know if this is something that I should make with quick plugs so I can, if the guy needs it, you can have it. So here we are, we're blowing snow, we got everything's working just fine. I don't know, hopefully I can get it all in the deal for you. We're turning the spout. It's working awesome. It's actually working better than I thought it was going to do. It's so handy to have. I got a Ram X grip. It's for holding my cell phone, but it works perfect for holding the remote. It's right next to my other controller, and tell you what, it's good. So if this helped you, or if you got any questions, go ahead and subscribe below, or like and share and comment, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.